What's up, you guys? It's another beautiful weekend out here in Colorado, and this weekend is special because it's a holiday weekend, and it's the first time in a very long time that the streets have just really been this active, this diverse, and entertaining. So this is actually the second day I'm out. Came out yesterday as well. Shot with my friends Rudy and Jack, and yeah, took a few clips with my iPhone and whatnot, but I was just really tired, didn't get any sleep, and so I just wanted to come back out today to just enjoy what's left of it all, because this isn't gonna happen again for some time. So just gonna walk up the street here, and hopefully it's still active. So I just ran into like this couple, can't see him now behind me, that like asked what my YouTube channel was, and that's just fun because yesterday I ran into another couple as well that watches the channel. So first of all, just shout out to you guys that like recognize me and say something. It's so weird to me, but it's also like the coolest thing to just know that you guys are like actually out here and enjoying like what's going on with what I'm shooting. So yeah, hopefully that lady checks out the video, and thank you guys for continuing to watch my shenanigans. That's a little deal.
Very cool.
So one thing that's really nice about today is that it's just fun to see like the city awake and alive again, but it's also so fun, or so good, to see, my finger stuck, to see diversity. You know, like here in Colorado, it's diverse, but it's not as diverse as a place in New York. And I think like this is fun because it's just like good practice for when I eventually visit New York. I know, well, from what I've heard, just how diverse that state is, and just how diverse so many of the different cultures and stuff around are. So I'm very much looking forward to like experiencing that on like a whole nother level, because usually on a typical day in here in Denver, you know, you have like a few of your mixed races, but you don't have anything that's like too exciting, I guess, to say the least. But in general, it's just so good to see so many different types of people groups out, all just enjoying each other. Everybody's so friendly, and it just makes the act, the art of doing street photography just so much more fun and so much better. regardless, I am glad I got out today. Today wasn't as exciting as yesterday. There was a lot more people out yesterday, and I kind of knew that coming in, that people would be just like a little more relaxed and chilling at home because of it actually being Labor Day and recouping, getting themselves ready for work. But regardless, this was just such a great weekend. Unfortunately, Denver's not like this every weekend. It's pretty empty for the most part, which makes it just all the more challenging, but I enjoy it all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Please subscribe. Peace.